Jigsaw Yoga Session 5 and this is my instructor Shanaye.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our yoga session. For our session today we will be doing relaxation stretches. Now for our yoga stretch today, what we're going to do is get down into the mouse position. From here, we'll come back up to the cat position. And then from here, we'll go into the dog position, and that's when our stretch will start. So ready, not go. Raising your right leg. Stretch that up high. Count of 5. Bringing your right leg down in front of you. Holding this for 5. Raising your right hand above your head for a count of 5. Coming back down, back to the cat position and trying on our opposite leg, back to the dog, up, on your left leg, raise your left leg and hold for the count of 5. Bringing your left leg down in front of you, holding for 5. And raising your left hand behind your head and holding for 5. Coming back down into the cat position and back to the mouse. Now we're just going to do a very quick side stretch. You want to get up on your knees. Place your right leg out in front of you. We want to place our left hand on the floor and reach over, hold for the count of 8. Come back and swap legs over, left leg out, right hand on there, and stretch. For our last yoga pose, we're going to do a spinal stretch. What we'll do is you want to be for this one, laying down on your back. Make sure you don't hit your partner in the head. We want to bring our knees to our chest. We're going to put our knees to the left side of our body, pull your arms out. And when you bring your knees over to the left, we want to look to the right and we'll hold this for a count of 10. Bring our legs back up, swap over, bring them to the right and look to the left. Now to end our yoga session, we'll start off with some cool down exercises. We're just going to put our head down for 5 seconds, back up for 5 seconds, looking to the left for 5 seconds and to the right for 5 seconds as well. Start with down. And up. To the left. And to the right. Now we'll do some shoulder rolls. We're going to roll backwards for 5 and then forwards for 5. And now forward. Now we'll do some arm stretches. You just want to put your right arm behind your head. Use your left to put it on your elbow and we'll hold this for 5. And just swap over, left arm behind, right arm holding it down for 5.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe in our channel please.
Thank you so much for watching again. We hope you enjoyed it.